Hey guys, I'm Kavan. In today's episode of PhotoForge, we are shooting 4 photos on the Hasselblad X1D. Our guest model is Liz Pagliae, and the style we are doing is a little bit of surrealism and some fine art. So without further ado, let's get started. For the first shot, I put my camera on sticks as we are doing a composite image. The image we are creating is Liz embracing this bird creature with her hands sticking through his chest. We create this first by shooting our subjects, then getting a second shot of our hands sticking through the chest. The image we are creating here is a tall, mysterious man placing his hands around Liz's eyes. First, I get a shot of our main subject by herself, then a second shot of the man with his hands over her eyes. To begin editing, I duplicate our base layer, then add a light, unsharp mask to our image. After that, I do some skin smoothing by creating a new layer and use a paintbrush with a flow set to 10%. Next, I clean up the paint off the fingers. I do this by creating a new layer and using the patch tool, as well as the paint tool at 10% flow. After that, I add a black and white layer, lowering the opacity below 14%. Following that, I use the selective color tool, focusing on the blacks, neutrals, and whites. From there, I use several more selective color layers, with each layer focusing on an individual color. This helps really get each color in your image exactly how you want it. After that, we're done. Well, that does it for this week's episode. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And a big thanks to our model, Liz Pagliae. Be sure to follow her on Instagram and keep up to date with everything that she's doing. Next, a huge thanks to our episode sponsor, Hasselblad. And lastly, a huge thanks to our show sponsor, BayPhoto. BayPhoto is the best in photo prints. And the coolest part, if you sign up with BayPhoto using me as your referral, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, all you have to do is click the link in the description below. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.